how to fight against the anemia caused by the end-stage kidney disease. This is your friend, Dr. Luis Vasquez. Remember in your heart, in your very soul, the name of this herbal tea, honeysuckle. It is also called, it's the same herbal tea, firecracker bush. Okay? Okay, let's go right to business. This herb is incredible so that the bone marrow gets stimulated in order to produce more red blood cells. So this fights against anemia during leukemia, during end-stage kidney disease, and many other diseases in which they have anemia. There is an hormone produced by the kidney called erythropoietin, EPO, HIPO, that's how we doctors call it. It is phenomenal to fight against anemia during this disease, end-stage kidney disease. However, once the hemoglobin is up to 10, it is completely banned. It can cause a slow flow in your circulation. I'm rooting for this injection. It's great, but it has some side effects, like as I mentioned before. If you take this tea every single day, let's say 33 ounces in water, just boil it and then add 5 tablespoons of this tea and then boil it again for, let's say, 8 minutes, put it on a strainer and drink it every single day, 33 ounces. In less than 1 month, I promise you, you will feel much better. The anemia will be not completely reverted, but hey, more than 50%. I can tell you, this is for free. This remedy is for free. If you want to get to know more remedies, stay tuned for our next episode. Subscribe to our channel, comment, share it. If you want an assessment by myself, give us a text on WhatsApp. See you and stay healthy.